Homer, are you ever planning on putting this stuff together?
Sure, right after I watch this DVD.
Oh, just what are you watching that's so important? Outstanding college mascot fights?
SEC edition. The top-heavy mascots always lose unless they're fighting something with no arms. See? The Stanford tree is no match for the Tulane Green Wave. There's people inside. Arch, do you see?
Maggie! That's it, mister. You're putting everything together today.
Marjorie, isn't it a little sexist to expect me to do all the carpentry?
Or you could take Bart to the mall to get fitted for...
Sorry! The drill is too loud! I can't hear the options!
Oh.
Fua Vestermine? Fua Vestermine? Du a klar du bist fertig, you are finished. I am finished! Woohoo! Ow! I'm trapped. Here, boy, come here. Who's a good Allen wrench? You's a good Allen wrench. Come here. Come on. Huh? That isn't the same Allen wrench I swallowed. Stop eating me. I'm not dead yet.
Sure, Monkey, to the rescue.
Oh, thank you. I think this is the beginning of an unhealthy dependence.
Oh.